Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of removing the default underline from text that is hyperlinked to other pages, resources, or external websites within Canvas LMS. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. Alright, let's get started and make your links look exactly the way you want them. In this example, you will notice that while the Themes and Styles module link is underlined, the syllabus link no longer has an underline. Let's remove the underline from the Themes and Styles module link as well. To do this, click Edit in the upper right corner of the screen, then switch to the HTML editor by clicking on the HTML editor icon. Within the HTML code, locate the opening A tag for the Themes and Styles module link. Position your cursor immediately after the A tag, then press the spacebar first. Now type style equal open and close quotation. Between the quotation marks, type text dash decoration colon space none semicolon. Finally, scroll down and click save in the bottom right corner. When you review the Themes and Styles module link, you will see that the underline has been successfully removed. We have now reached the end of this brief tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.